are in our new offices in Shuttleworth Mead Business First Centre.
The new offices have been a pleasure to work in. They're bright, airy and open plan. This has meant that staff are interacting much more effectively and working much more efficiently, which ultimately means that we can improve the service that we provide for our clients.
The full name of our business is Sagar Insurance Limited, and it was formed by Mr. Tom Sagar 58 years ago. He bought one terraced house on Willow Street, and then as the business progressed and changed ownership, we eventually ended up with 3 large terraced houses on Willow Street and the corner one on Birch Street.
The experience for clients now that we're in Shuttleworth Mead is very, very different from the experience of a client visiting our premises in Willow Street in Accrington. Whilst we were in Accrington, clients would have to drive around the neighbourhood while they found somewhere to park. Now the environment is very different for clients. We've got a much pleasanter environment, we've got private parking and we've got private rooms where we can take clients to have a discussion about their insurance needs.
Fairly early on, we decided to use a contact of Susan's that's a professional project manager for offices called Andy Wynne-Jones. And Andy did work quite closely with Sarah and the team here to plan it all through. Sarah's help and assistance was tremendous actually. In fact, we were able to call on her almost night and day when things were getting a little bit urgent. There were things like the air conditioning to move around. There's a lot of electrical work to do with the data cabling and the power that's all under the floor in these modern offices. And Sarah organised all of that with Andy really well, so that we're able to move in on the date that we planned. We've only been here 2 months and already we've traded with a couple of the other businesses here, and they're trading with us as well. We've got a scheme set up with our neighbours for our staff. So it is an added benefit that we didn't really consider when we're moving in, that there would be this easy ability to be able to trade with each other within the business centres.
Overall, the move to Shuttleworth Mead has been excellent. We found that the staff are working much more effectively and are generally much happier in the new environment. We found that the benefit for customers and clients is twofold. In one, that we're easy to access, they can come in, do their business and meet the team. And secondary to that, we're much more effective in how we can actually go about our business. We're much more efficient and modern than we used to be.